Good morning. Welcome to California. Dad and Johnny are over here bleeding the cannon, I think. Not really sure if I understand the entire process, but I'll have Dad explain it in a minute.
Basically what we're doing is Johnny West smart guy.
Happy birthday, Tyler.
Thank you, buddy.
Everybody wish Tyler happy birthday. Harass him as much as possible. Everybody. I'm talking to you too. Yeah, you. Go harass him. His Instagram's right here. Go harass him. For me, please. Alright, buddy.
Spammed me.
Mr. Terry.
Yes, sir.
What were you doing a few minutes ago when you were playing with the cannon?
The cannon on this car is a controlled hydraulic cylinder, and when I put it on the car this year, I bled it and do all the things you're supposed to do. Well, I had a little extra fluid in it, so it was a little bit overflowed. And it doesn't hurt the performance of it, but it changes when you go to charge the cannon how much pressure it has. So Johnny wanted to make that right, so he showed us how to make it right, and we bled the excess fluid out, so now it has just the right amount of fluid in it.
I am not going. Well, what are we doing down here, Mr. Terry?
Well, hiding from everybody else.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Mostly hiding. What are you doing down here?
I don't know, hanging out with you. Quality father-son time.
Visitation.
Yep.
Way better than the visits at reform school.
Yeah, pretty much.
Or prison camp. So what we're doing is every run we leave the rods untorqued until about an hour before you run. And then this year, to try to save money, we tried to run these uncoated rod bearings. And for the last couple runs, the motor don't really hurt nothing, but the lower rod bearings look terrible after each run. So I'm going to put coated ones in because I don't want to take a chance having the rods fall out. So rather than worry about it, I'm just going to change them out. Takes a couple minutes, and then we'll know if they're right. Get that here. Get that here. Your cameraman today.
Alright, we're in here getting ready to go up for the first qualification session. And for the record, the videos this weekend are going to suffer because of the lack of our sessions of what happened was with Mr. Austin West, because it's his wife's birthday and their anniversary this weekend, so he didn't want to mess that up. What's up, Mr. Terry?
Getting ready to go to work.
Cool. You gonna do a big burnout for Tyler for his birthday?
Always do big burnouts, but we'll do one for Tyler.
Special, right?
Nice.
But happy birthday to him anyway.
Yeah.
Glad he's here with us.
Yes.
Well, he's on his phone.
Sorry.
Yeah, he's too busy to talk to me. I got it.
Alright, we're going up here. They're doing a Toyota racing with these two GR Supras, like exhibition race thing, so Tyler and I come up to watch. I think they're gonna go faster than the funny car Supras.
Like they got it.
Mason McGee is behind a significant 300ths of a second, which translated to
What's up, homie?
How are you?
Good. This looks like it'd be fun to drive.
Pretty quick.
Yeah?
Quicker than they look.
Cool. Here, let's look. Agreed.
You had all this money. All this money. This is what you put it towards? It could have been so much nicer. There should be a big burger on the ground. Right?
Yeah?
Like the AAA Auto Club painting on the ground was sick.
Or they should have done something like that In-N-Out sign up there.
There should be an In-N-Out truck right here.
Yeah.
Right here.
Yeah. All the teams need food too.
I'm disappointed.
Do better. Oh! Caps took him down. That's not bad. That's not what we were expecting or hoping for, but that's why there's 2 more qualifying sessions. We'll go back and get it serviced and see what we can't do tomorrow. Alright, motor is all serviced and cleaned and fixing to put it back together. If I can find my gasket. There's my gasket. Hello, gasket. How you doing? How you doing? My brother's butt's in the way. I am currently laying under the race car and Mr. Tyler does clutch stuff, turning the motor for him. It's past my bedtime. What clutch stuff is it you're doing?
Adjusting the stand height, so it's all exactly the same.
Check out this sunset, dude. One of the only good things about Southern California is the amazing sunsets. Awesome. Also, the mountain in the distance with the sunset. Chef's kiss. Yeah, this is pretty. Check that out.
I'll give you a bill.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Don't get spit all over it.
Yeah.
Thank you guys.
So pick out which ring is yours.
Those are the bills?
Those are the bills.
On this week's episode of What Happened Was, there's no Austin. So I'm gonna try and join in, and it's not gonna be as good. It's just not. What happened was, so we took that long thing, right? That Austin likes, the long thing that you press down and it makes it go. Rrr. We took that and he pressed it like really hard again. I don't know if he did it quickly. He's not usually doing it quickly, but like it was angry still. Why does it get so angry? And so it went like zoom, like angrily, like very angrily. And the other guy was out in front of him, but like we were trying to catch him. It was still going like zoom. And the spinny thingy that goes on the other spinny thingies, it went whoa, whoa, and was like gone, like peace out, like I'm out of here, left the chat, and so the car went like whoa, 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 and like stopped. It was the strangest thing. He had to pull the pushy thing that made the things go. He still had to press that, and it still went like kind of fast, but like not super fast, but still like kind of fast, like not like super fast, but like still kind of fast. And yeah, that's what happened. Okay, so last night I was very exhausted and didn't end up my video. What?
I walk into the hotel room. He's dead on the bed, covered in crap. Right? He's like all white sheets and pillows, and just he's covered in dirt. Right? And I walk in. I'm getting on like all my stuff done. I come in like 3 hours after him, and he's laying in bed. He's like, "I'm gonna wait for you. I'll wait for you." In his sleep, dead asleep. I'm like, "All right, bro, thank you." Like, got in the shower, went to bed. And then he wakes up this morning, I'm so tired. So tired. This guy, I got 12 hours of sleep.
Anyways, blower belt came off the car yesterday during the run, and that's why it shut off. And that's just something we've got to deal with. So today we are hoping to go out and go fast, put a little bit of the extra spicy juice in it, and make it go zoom. The car's all ready to go, ready to be warmed up right here. So few minutes I'll start today's video because I couldn't finish this video last night. But on that note, let's go racing and never give up.